All right, y'all. So Southwest egg rolls is on the menu today. These are so quick and easy to make. If you love the Southwest egg rolls at Chili's, just like keep on watching. So the main thing you want to do is get your stuff in place, y'all. I can't explain how much time you will save if you just get all your ingredients in place. The first thing you want to do is chop up some produce. We got some bell peppers, red and green. The red is a little bit sweeter than the green, if no one ever told you like the flavor difference. We're gonna just chop them up, try to get them really small as possible. um, Chopping your vegetables uniformly is gonna help you cook your food evenly and get it done quicker. So let's grate up some cheese. I just chose good old Monterey Jack. Can't never go wrong with it. But one of the key things when you're trying to grate cheese, if you partially freeze it a little bit, it'll grate so much better for you. Now these green onions, y'all, like in the past, like last couple of years, I really come to love green onions. They add that bit of freshness, but it's not as pungent as a regular yellow onion. But green onions are definitely needed in this dish, so don't eliminate them. Let's get everything sauteed off. We're gonna go in with some oil, just some vegetable oil. It doesn't matter if you got avocado, canola, it don't matter. But we're gonna saute off some corn. I did use frozen corn. If you have canned corn, that will work just as well. But I just chose to use frozen. No real reason why. But you can use frozen spinach. Now I had fresh on hand and I did not want to waste money just buying frozen spinach when I had fresh. So definitely, if you got frozen spinach, use it. But if you got fresh, even better. It's gonna taste even better. So we just working it down, cooking it, making sure we controlling our heat, because as we cook, the water will, or the moisture in any dish will evaporate. So controlling your heat. I got this on about a medium high. I am adding in some black beans. Half a can is all you need. Use the other half for taco night or figure out something to do with it, but you will not need that whole can of beans. So we're gonna add in our peppers and onions. Now we could have started with the peppers and onions and that would have been just fine. I forgot. So we're gonna get them in there now. And as long as we have some additional cooking time, you see I adjusted my heat, the peppers and onions are gonna soften up. We're gonna cover it just to make sure it gets even more softer. So in the store, I was thinking like, how can I make these Southwest egg rolls even better? And I immediately thought about the white chicken chili. So that flavor base and that seasoning pack it mimics the Southwest egg roll flavor. So you can use this and just like amp it up a bit, as you're gonna see me do, and it's gonna impart so much flavor in these egg rolls, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with some more chili powder, which is already in the seasoning pack. Again, we're gonna amp it up. Got some chili powder. I'm gonna add in some paprika, and I'm also gonna add in some cumin. You're gonna see me add in also onion powder and chicken bouillon. I have not added a lot of salt. That chicken bouillon is salty, so if you're gonna ever use chicken bouillon powder, kind of think about that when you're adding additional salt to it. And you did see me add coriander. Now, coriander is kind of similar to cumin, but it's not as pungent. It does provide like that smoky Southwest flavor that we all know and love. So this is perfect. Like if you're trying to like save some money, have a little date night at home with your honey, you can recreate these restaurant meals at home. There are so many resources out there. I'm definitely gonna like make a little series about copycat recipes because I love it. We're going to add a little bit of salt just to kind of balance it out. I have tasted this throughout the process. So one key thing is making sure you tasting your stuff, y'all. Do it taste good? Do it need more salt? Do it need more pepper? Whatever. Making sure you tasting your stuff is important. So we're going to take a little shortcut. We are not making no chicken breast from scratch. We're going to use Walmart's rotisserie chicken. They already got pulled for you, y'all. During the week, if you're trying to get dinner done without spending hours and hours in the kitchen, use those convenience products. I will always be an advocate for shortcuts because we trying to feed our families, we trying to feed ourselves good food, but we don't have as much time. So these products like this, y'all, invest into them. Sometimes they can be a little bit more costly, but worth it. And now we're going to add in the cream cheese. Now, one thing I did notice when making this recipe, if you are going to use that Monterey Jack cheddar we shredded up, you won't need as much cream cheese. You could have used half a block of cream cheese and omit the Monterey Jack cheddar. So it's all up to you, all up to your budget, but it's still going to come out good. So let's get to rolling. I made a little paste using some flour and water, and that's going to act as our glue so our egg rolls won't fall apart when we go to cook them, y'all. Warm up your tortillas in the microwave to get them like bendable, because you know they can come really dry. And I'm going to like paint on the paste around the edges. So y'all just watch me do this, but the main thing when you tuck in these, look, I'm about to tell you what the secret is. The main thing you do when you are rolling egg rolls is tucking it and kind of making sure you're getting everything folded into each other. Like just tucking and rolling. This is the perfect time to pull out them rolling skills that you done threw in the back of your closet. You know what I'm talking about. I also cannot stress enough the importance of heating up those tortillas, y'all, because them babies will crack on you. So heat it up, get it a little bit of soft, get it really soft, and you'll see, you know, you can bend it so much easier. I'm gonna stop talking, y'all. Just watch how I roll it. So this is the perfect time to heat up that air fryer, y'all, to 370 degrees. We're gonna spray these with some cooking spray and get these babies done. So y'all know we had to make the sauce to go with it. This is the avocado lime ranch. So it's avocado. I use mayo, sour cream, buttermilk, a ranch seasoning pack, lime juice, a little bit more onion powder and garlic powder. And this was so good, y'all. It will be like a really pretty green, but it won't stay green. It will turn on you, as we know that avocados, they ripen really quick. So make this and go ahead and use it. After about 10-15 minutes, y'all, in the air fryer, you kind of got to watch them, because I don't know y'all air fryer. I just know mine took about 12 minutes to cook and get it crispy, but these were delicious, y'all. So good. I mean, a family will love them. They are a great way for kids to get in those veggies, because y'all know them kids, they ain't studying no vegetables, but trust and believe they're gonna love it. If you're feeling the vibes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.